Today I'm doing an unboxing. I got 3 pieces of new camera equipment that I want to show you guys. One of them is a camera, and stay tuned so you'll get to see what I'm unboxing. Hi everybody, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Philinda Roy. I'm a lifestyle and fashion lifestyle photographer. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell button so you'll get notified every time I post a new video. Also, if you have any comments or questions about anything that I show you in the video today, please make sure you put that in the comments section below. So we'll get started. Well, this is what I'm unboxing today. I'm going to start off with the Nikon D800E. This is not the brand new or the latest camera. I don't get the latest camera equipment just because it's very expensive and I don't want to spend that much. I equate it as being a car. So let somebody else take the hit and then I can get a good deal later. This camera retailed for about $2,600 when it was new. I got this for less than $1,000. I bought it from a reputable seller on eBay. It's actually a camera store in Dallas. I've actually been there. I am from Texas. I lived in Dallas for a little while. You can see I got 2 manuals out of there. When I'm buying new camera equipment for myself, actually a used camera equipment for myself, I always make sure that the camera is has a low shutter count. This is only about 15,000. So here's the inside of the box. We've got a box of accessories and the camera's in the bigger box. I'm going to pull the camera out now and you can see it. Here it is, the D800E. It's actually in fairly good condition. I mean, it's very mint to me. Doesn't look like it was used very much. And then the next boxing is the accessories. Since it was used, it's not actually all in the right sleeve. So here is the eyepiece. I've got a cable here. I think it's the cable to the charger. Here's the charger. There's the battery. Let's see, what else do we have in here? We also have the cable that connects the camera to the computer. And then last but not least, we've got a D800E Nikon strap. So, see if there's anything else in here. Nope, just more plastic. So, here's the camera right here. The next thing we'll do is the battery grip. I thought you might want a close-up look of the camera, not just the unboxing part. So this is the D800E. If you look all around at it, it is in mint condition. You've got the white balance, the ISO, everything. The body just looks brand spanking new. What I'll do for you guys right now is to put the battery in. If I can get it open. Just get in there. I think that's the right way. There you go. Here is the viewfinder eyepiece, so I'll put that on for you. At least I think I can. So I am left eye dominant, so I want this part on the outside. We'll turn the camera on and we'll look at the menu. So that's actually not the menu, but here we go. Got all of that there. You can go over to the camera. We'll take a look at what My image quality is just set to RAW. I do not shoot in RAW and JPEG just because if I'm going to send any JPEGs out, I am going to send out the modified ones. So let's check out one of the other settings. Format your memory card. You should always format your memory card inside your camera, not if you are putting it in some type of device to be read by the computer, because sometimes the cards will go haywire. So you can set your date and time. This one's set to New York. I am in the Eastern time zone. Date and format. I like the month, day, then the year. And we'll check out one more. And that is actually just the menu. So here is my new D800E. We'll go back to the battery grip now. Well, now that I've slid everything over, we're going to do the battery grip. This is a Vello battery grip. I actually have another battery grip from this company for my D300. I showed you what was in my bag a few weeks ago. And that was when I had the D300. I still actually have it, but that's when I was using that. My last photo shoot, I sent the photos to the retoucher, and he told me there was artifacting on my images. So he asked me if I could compress them down to JPEG, because if you send things out in JPEG, it does cause artifacting or pixelating of some parts of the images. Since he let me know that they were on RAW files, I figured it was time for me to get a new camera. So there's something in this little bag from the Vello battery grip. It carries AA batteries, but there's also the actual battery grip, and the other compartment carries the battery that you get with the camera. So here's the battery grip. You turn this little knob here, you open it, and there you go. You put this, I'm not going to do it now, but I'll kind of show you how it fits onto the camera. You have this here, and you stick it on the bottom here, and you just screw it in, and you're able to have more power and longer battery life. So there's the battery grip there. So now I'll show you a close-up look of the battery pack. Here you go. You pretty much just open it here. You would stick a charged battery in there. I'll show you how that works. So here's my new Vemico battery. Just place it in here. Slide it there. It's intact. There you go. You heard it snap. You stick it in there. You reach back over for the camera, and you take this bottom off. You line everything up with the camera. Make sure the pins and everything are lined up. Then you just lock that baby into place. When it's connected, you'll get a green light, and there you go. You just go ahead and turn on. And if you get a good look, the battery that is showing on the viewfinder there is the bottom battery. So that's all it is to attach the battery grip to the camera. And let's see what's actually in here. Comes in its own little case, and it is actually, I know what it is, it's batteries. Here you go. I got these batteries off of Amazon. I'll put a link below of where I got everything. These are for the Nikon. They're orange. I wanted to get orange batteries so I wouldn't get them confused with my D800 batteries. And then also a charger. The company is Vemico, and we'll see how it goes. I'll give you a closer look of the battery. Here is the case. I've never gotten batteries that actually had their own case, which will make it easy to keep up with them. So I showed you before. Here is the battery here. Every Nikon camera seems like they have their own battery, like they update it. So here's the battery pack. I'll show you the charger here. Here is the charger. Take that there, slide it there. It snaps in pretty easily. We'll take the other battery out. I need to charge them anyways. And there's the battery charger. I'm sure when you plug it in, this little display here tells you whether or not it's charged or it's charging. I hope you enjoyed the video of me unboxing my new camera. I can't wait to use it in my next photo shoot. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. I need the feedback either way. If you have any comments or questions about buying used camera equipment or anything that I showed you in the video, please put that in the comment section below. And if you haven't done so already, make sure you hit the bell button and the subscribe button so you'll get notified every time I post a new video. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.